How people think in English. Thinking in English is a powerful skill. It helps people speak better, understand faster, and feel more confident. But what does it really mean to think in English? Is it just translating words from your native language? Or is it something deeper? In this essay, we will explore how people think in English, why it matters, how it changes the way we see the world, and how you can learn to think in English too. We will use simple words and clear ideas so everyone can follow along. Chapter 1. What is thinking in English? Thinking in English means your thoughts happen in English words. For example, instead of thinking, mata badagini, in Sinhala, you think, I'm hungry. You don't translate. You just feel the idea directly in English. It's like your brain is using English as its main language. You hear English in your head. You talk to yourself in English. You make decisions in English. You even dream in English sometimes. This is different from just knowing English. Many people can read or write English, but they still think in their native language. Thinking in English is a deeper level. It means English becomes part of your mind. Chapter 2. Why do people want to think in English? There are many reasons why people want to think in English. To speak faster. If you think in English, you don't need to translate. You speak quickly and naturally. To understand better. You can follow movies, books, and conversations without stopping to translate. To feel confident. You don't worry about grammar or vocabulary. You feel free. To connect with the world. English is a global language. Thinking in English helps you talk to people from many countries. To grow mentally. English thinking helps you organize ideas, solve problems, and express emotions clearly. Chapter 3. How thinking in English changes your mind. Thinking in English doesn't just change your language. It changes your brain. Here's how. 1. You become more direct. English is a direct language. People say what they mean. When you think in English, you learn to be clear and honest. You stop using too many words. You focus on the main idea. 2. You become more logical. English thinking helps you organize your thoughts. You learn to use structure. First, second, finally. You learn to explain things step by step. This helps in school, work, and life. 3. You become more confident. When you think in English, you stop worrying about mistakes. You trust yourself. You speak with courage. You feel proud. 4. You become more global. English thinking connects you to the world. You understand other cultures. You learn new ideas. You become open-minded. Chapter 4. How do people learn to think in English? Thinking in English is not magic. It takes practice. Here are some ways people learn to think in English. 1. Talking to yourself. This is a great method. You can do it anytime. Just speak your thoughts in English. For example, I need to go to the shop. I'm feeling tired today. What should I eat for lunch? This helps your brain get used to English. 2. Writing a journal. Write about your day in English. Use simple sentences. Don't worry about grammar. Just express your thoughts. This helps you think clearly. 3. Watching English videos. Watch movies, YouTube videos, or TV shows in English. Listen carefully. Try to understand without subtitles. Repeat the sentences in your mind. 4. Reading English books. Start with easy books. Read slowly. Think about the meaning. Try to imagine the story in your head using English words. 5. Using English in daily life. Change your phone to English. Read signs in English. Think in English when you cook, walk, or clean. Make English part of your life. Chapter 5. Mistakes people make. Some people try to think in English, but face problems. Here are common mistakes. 1. Translating every word. This is slow and confusing. Don't translate. Try to feel the meaning directly in English. 2. Being afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Don't be shy. Speak and think freely. You will improve with time. 3. Using complex words. Start simple. Use easy words. Don't try to sound smart. Just be clear. 4. Giving up too soon. Thinking in English takes time. Don't quit. Keep practicing every day. Chapter 6. Real stories. How people change their lives. Let's look at some real examples. A. Rowan from Sri Lanka. Rowan was shy. He knew English but didn't speak well. He started thinking in English every morning. He talked to himself. After 3 months, he gave a speech in English at his school. He felt proud. B. Aisha from Egypt. Aisha wanted to study abroad. She practiced thinking in English by writing a diary. She wrote every night. Her writing improved. She got a scholarship to study in Canada. C. Miguel from Mexico. Miguel loved English movies. He watched them every day. He repeated the lines in his head. He started dreaming in English. Now he works in a hotel and speaks English with tourists. Chapter 7. Thinking in English and Emotions. English helps you understand your feelings. You can say, I feel sad. I'm excited. I'm nervous, but I'll try. This helps you manage your emotions. You can talk to friends, write poems, or make videos about your feelings. Chapter 8. Thinking in English in Dreams. Some people dream in English. This means English is deep in your mind. You think in English even when you sleep. This is a good sign. It shows your brain is comfortable with English. Chapter 9. Final Tips. Here are some final tips to help you think in English. Practice every day. Don't be afraid. Use simple words. Talk to yourself. Write your thoughts. Watch English content. Read easy books. Be patient. Enjoy the process. Conclusion. Thinking in English is a journey. It starts with small steps. It grows with practice. It changes your life. You become confident. You become global. You become free. So start today. Think in English. Speak your truth. Share your story. The world is waiting to hear your voice.